Is this okay?
Sure. Bro, anything is okay. It's Shitty Cooking with Rico 3.0.
So, for this wonderful meal,
Yeah, I don't even know what you're making.
no.
What the hell is that?
So, we have a box
Oh, okay. It's just peppers. Don't call them paprika, okay?
and paprika, coconut milk, onion.
Okay. Onion. Wait, are you talking? I think you cut off again.
Sound good? Sound
Sound good.
Alright.
Sound good. You're nice and loud. Music is loud enough to where it can be heard. And we're ready to roll, boys. Come on. Where's the little thing that they do in the movies? You know what I mean? The clack? Yeah. You got it. Was that your fucking shoe?
My slipper.
What the hell? Okay, so you didn't tell, you didn't actually say it, you just showed the ingredients and then we had no audio.
So, we're making chicken curry.
Curry?
I don't know if it's curry in English, but it's curry. You know?
Can you, yeah. Oh, curry. It has to be curry. It 100% must be curry.
So.
Yeah.
Dit is vers pakket met spersiebonen, paprika, limoen, ui, knoflook, kruidenmix, bouillonblokje en kokosmelk.
Ah,
wow.
Right. Yeah, I got all of that.
Yes, I hope it says how to make it because I have no fucking idea. Yes.
What, you think the little tag on the thing is gonna tell you how to do it?
Step by fucking step, bro.
That's unbelievable.
That's fucking good. Good.
It's good.
So much work.
You know what's good, dude?
What?
That little ambient lighting looks nice, honestly.
What's this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Nice. It's like it's a nice little kitchen
Thank
for
you,
a bachelor.
Look,
yeah, no problem.
I even have like it's not working. It's
classic shitty cooking.
Oh, it's not working. Oh, it has breathing holes.
Breathing holes? Oh, breathing holes. Don't put your fingers through them, you weirdo. Ah. Dude, having no audio for anything else apart from your voice is so creepy. Just looking at shit. It's so, like, every time you cook, you're just like looking at shit. Like, it's the first time you've ever seen it. Oh, I have no more audio at all. It fucking stopped again. Why is it so shitty?
Nick is here?
Nick is here?
Nick is here?
What?
When did he join?
Nick, what the hell are you doing here?
Nick?
Nick?
Hi.
What the hell? What are you doing
he's
here?
I'm really gonna start now because it's gonna take a while.
Alright.
Me.
Alright.
We have cutting board, bam!
Okay.
What do I need to do?
That's not very reassuring at all.
Okay, onion. Okay. This is too low. Because I'm standing like
Yeah,
this.
dude, don't even get me started. Everything in my house is too low. Especially the sink in the bathroom. Oh my god.
Right, limon.
What did you say?
Limon.
Limon. That's a lime?
No. Yeah, what is it?
No, you said limon.
Limon is what it is in Dutch.
Oh, that you're weird.
No.
You could
Yeah,
just
then-
like be like the real world.
Yeah, we call limes limoen, but then lemon citroen.
That's a brand of car?
Mm-hmm.
What is that? Is that a new pan? Yo, we got some budget for shitty cooking? Let's go. Is that a wok, bro? Look at this shit.
Damn!
Damn. Where did you get this?
Got it from Jamie.
It's Jamie Oliver's? Damn, really?
Yeah.
How expensive was that? Did you get it for like Christmas or something?
Yes.
Nice, man.
There was like some kind of supermarket thingy where you get like. Do you want to collect all these fucking things and be saving for half a year? My parents did that, so now I have a pan.
Yeah. They do that here too. It's like a promo. Okay, why?
You should probably
Always
rinse
felt-
that before
Oh my
using
god.
it.
Why is the balance all off?
My balance is off.
Your balance is always off. Don't worry about that. Oh, we don't have audio again. I think he tried to sneeze and we heard nothing.
Alright,
Yeah.
Rico, you probably want to rinse the pan before using it.
Yeah, you should probably wash it.
what is rinsing?
Rinsing is washing it with some water.
Just wash it how you would wash any pan.
Yeah.
Because like you don't know how many fucking hands touch that shit. It's probably on a rack somewhere.
Aside from that, out of the factory, they get like all kinds of spray on them.
Yeah.
Yes, we're cutting this one.
Hello?
Hello.
Is this what?
Yep.
Oh, this is gonna take forever.
Yeah.
Well, I was saying, oh, the air is spicy.
That's why you were laughing to yourself,
Yeah.
bro.
Oh, where's the box? Cool.
Oh. There we go. Now we have some nice ASMR sounds. What the hell?
There we go. Oh, maybe this fucking.
Oh, maybe this.
Fuck you. You don't look so nice.
Wow. Why?
Yeah, I think first just cutting all the vegetables.
Yes.
But it's for 4 people. I can
Oh.
eat for the rest of the week. So I can also do half. That's for 2. Eat 2.
Yeah, you could just do like 1 pepper and 1 onion.
Yeah.
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 And then you get to do it all over again in 2 days when you need to.
Yeah, but it will be fresh.
Yeah.
And we could get another video.
Mm-hmm. Making the same thing again,
Yep.
but with the experience we got from the past.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, every shitty cooking is getting less shitty, you know that?
In terms of cooking or in terms of quality?
Yes. I get more experience every video. And
Bro, I'm already proud of you seemingly getting chicken thighs and not like pre-cut chicken.
I'm proud of you not getting those packets from Knorr.
I saw those
More.
laying there, I'm like, damn, this is an upgrade. He's,
Oh,
he's cutting his own chicken.
What is that? What was that? Stop covering up, bro. We need to see you.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. Why do you throw shit into that paper thing so like violently? You're like, get it,
Fuck
you
him.
piece of
Garbage.
shit, you garbage.
Hoppatay.
It will never get old seeing you trying to cut something or just do anything in the kitchen.
It's fine, bro.
It's
pretty
fine,
good.
yeah. I mean, it works. You just don't
I
really
just
look
look so
comfortable.
awkward.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think it's because you're so tall and everything is so short. That you just look like you're struggling.
I mean, I am.
No, you're not. I don't know.
Oh no, he is.
Is he? Oh, that's... I don't think you're supposed to do that with your plastic cutting boards, but... Don't worry, I'll edit in some tears for you.
Yeah. Pepper. Nick
Paprika.
did it really clever last time, but I don't remember.
Literally, you just cut
Put
it
it-
from top to bottom on the sides, like on the corners.
Take the green thing out.
I mean, yeah, obviously.
Put it upside down.
I can't believe you missed.
Cut like you have the things like sticking out.
The outside.
Yeah, yeah.
Cut like the outside, and then
You just pretty much you cut around the inside. You know what the inside
Yeah.
looks like. You just cut around it.
Yeah. But that's
take
a
the
lot
bit-
of work.
What are you talking about?
take the things sticking out. Cut like those out. Yeah, like that.
That's
then-
way too deep. You almost cut
that's
it in
way too
half.
deep.
Oh, it's fine. It's a baby.
What?
Hello,
So-
baby.
Yep, and you will just do it how he does it all the time.
yeah.
Which is
you-
classic for shitty
I
cooking.
mean,
It's fine.
it is. Look how beautiful.
Is
It's
there
perfect.
is there any white on the inside?
A healthy amount.
No.
There's no
You
white
might
or
need
like
to
yellow
cut 'em in
shit.
Triangles, heart shapes, stars. Oh, come on.
Hexagons, dude.
Fucking
Hexagons.
Yeah, you have to do that. You have to. Since the recipe says so.
top de bandjes en snij ze in stukjes van circa 2 centimeter. This fucking guy tells me to cut them in not this ones, but these ones in 2 centimeters. Who cares?
Well, so that they cook evenly.
Yes.
Fuck that.
Fuck that. Who gives a shit
Bro.
cooking shit evenly?
Who cares if one is like overdone and the other is still raw?
Did you see the steaks on the last episode?
Rico, you don't want the stuff that's white on the inside, okay?
Yeah, I know. I already fucked it up. I fucked it up already, so it's fine. I'll put on a really soft playing.
I already
something,
have
so I
background
don't-
music.
Yeah, I don't.
Who cares about you? It's about the production, bitch.
I am the production. Where's my chef? Oh, my name is
Holy shit, that's loud as fuck.
That's even louder. Probably won't hear that, hopefully. And otherwise,
Maybe not.
suck your mum.
Whoa.
Alright. It's already going really well. So, how is Germany? Why am I so dumb?
Yeah, we keep asking ourselves the same question.
You? We? Who's we?
If you weren't, this video wouldn't exist, so it's fine.
Yeah. But no, Germany was fine.
Went to Dusseldorf?
Yes.
Nice.
Dusseldorf stayed in a way too fancy and large suite in the hotel.
Way too large.
Like at the airport too. So,
But you went with the car,
but we went with car, yes.
which makes sense, yeah, of course.
Walked around, looked at some like Christmas shit, I guess.
Nice.
Drank beer, walked more, drank more beer.
What is the
Are
problem?
you? Where's the lime coming in? Oh, step. The last step.
Probably some dressing. Yeah.
You know?
Yep, that's the dressing. The dressing symbol is.
Yep.
You do your wrist like that, and then you do.
But yeah, the hotel room was more like an entire fucking apartment, pretty much.
Yeah.
Like-
looked very big.
It's bigger than your apartment.
Yeah, it's bigger than yours, bitch.
It was
Oh my building.
no, it's just to like give an idea. It was like 50 square meters, I believe.
Fuck, bro.
Nice audio, dude.
You need to cut off the ends, yeah, right?
Yes, that's what.
Yep.
What did you just read out loud?
Yeah, it probably says it. Did you read it out
the
loud
boontjes.
That's it. Dop
That's
de
what that
boontjes.
means?
Yes, take out the dop on either side.
Ik heb
What?
nog een boontje met jou te doppen. I
I
always
don't know
thought
what you're
dop.
saying. I'm gonna need like a Dutch translation script to put as subtitles,
Yeah.
bro.
Well, good
Yeah.
luck with that.
Wait, you good luck. You're gonna translate it.
Oh.
Dop de boontjes. There you go. That's what you need.
What does that even
the same.
mean?
It means
Cut the
cap
ends
the
off?
beans.
Cap the beans.
I'll just get half of it, I guess. Who needs vegetables, bro?
You.
You motherfucker.
Hey. Don't curse, this is a family show.
Oh.
Is it?
No. We made the
No.
same joke in the previous episode.
We did?
Yes, I remember editing it out.
Wow.
No, I think it's still in the video.
The one with Nick or the
Yeah.
one...
No, not the one with the one with Nick. No one knows about it.
We
That
do.
shit's dead to everyone. Yeah, we do.
Not to
Wow.
me.
Yeah, not to me either. I still have it
It still lives in my heart.
and my Dropbox.
The cooking was really
Oh,
nice.
good.
Dude.
Yeah.
Put the doppies... Oh, the... Way too much water. Couple more. Why not?
What was that? Just throwing up the bad juju?
Mm-hmm.
Well, now comes the fun part. He needs to go cut the chicken.
Yeah, how...
How? That's it. That's where you stop.
No, I also need the
Garlic? It's garlic?
garlic. Yeah.
So the garlic you just smash.
Get a knife, a
A knife.
big one. Put it on there, like on its side, and then just press down.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't cut it, you just smash it.
But with your foot. Careful,
Alright,
dude. Your slipper's
first
gonna fall off
you-
again.
No, you don't need to do that. You can do that after you've
Yeah, you should smash it first, and then it will be easier to do that. Yeah. Yep.
there you
I thought you fucking broke your knife.
go.
Where am I going to cut my chicken?
On a
Mm,
different cutting board. You
You
move.
think I have different cutting boards?
I would hope so.
No.
You can wash this one and then cut it there, and then wash it again. I guess.
Ideally, you want a cutting board separately for meats and vegetables, but
Obviously.
Alright. Do I put this in this?
Yes.
sure.
But that you should do that into whatever container is gonna cook in,
Yeah.
because it will be like
Yeah.
mush.
We'll leave that one here.
Okay.
For now.
You should check if you have to put the onions and the bell pepper in at the same time, so you can put everything into the same bowl, or have to separate them.
Rice? Rice?
Oh
Fuck.
no.
I have rice. I have rice.
Okay. Okay.
A moment of panic.
I was about to scrap this whole recording.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Expired 3 months ago, but whatever.
Rice expires?
I don't fucking know. It looked like he was checking the date, so.
No, how many grand?
Oh no, he does that like with every single thing.
What is this?
October 23.
He picks something up, he looks at it like it's alien.
Yeah, everything is together. Yeah, everything is together. So we put you in bowl.
Great sound.
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 Shit down a bit. Whoop. Whoop. What
Yep.
the floods?
You can probably also put the garlic
That's
in
a
there,
lot of
but
shit.
it's already a bit full by the looks of things.
This is the New Year's special. Is it gonna be done with New Year's?
No, probably. Yeah, maybe I could.
Who knows?
Maybe.
You go here. So, do I already put the rice in a pan and let it?
Yeah.
What does it say?
It probably it usually says it as one of the first few steps because it needs like 12 minutes or something to get ready.
So it said, I think, 300 grams of rice. So maybe I will just do. Okay, I know.
Just eyeball it.
I forgot the mango.
What?
And my mango is to blow up. I don't know.
And then act like I don't know how to cook.
300 grams of chicken. 300 grams of rice. 2 spoons of olive oil. You know what? This is 400, so we'll just do.
But remember, you did half the vegetables, right?
Yeah, so I will just do half. Wait a minute.
You have a measuring cup. Look at that. More like a measuring jug, but. Wait, what are you... What?
What?
Rico, it's weight, bro. That's liquid. That's... What?
No, that should work.
Yeah,
What do you mean that should work? It's in mLs.
Yeah.
Yeah. The same. Well,
Am I losing my fucking mind?
You know that 2 liters is also 2 kilos, right? So technically speaking, they should be fine.
No, if you put 2 liters of steel in there, it's not gonna
Nope.
be the same as 2 liters of water.
Yep.
Hey, this shit ain't cooking, bro. Look.
I'm losing my fucking mind. This man thinks that rice is as dense as water.
Who the fuck designed this? It's the hat, probably. You can go back here. Bye. That's a lot of water.
I mean, how much is it usually for rice?
Bro,
Is it 2-to-1, like 2 water, 1 rice? Who knows what the fuck was in the container before you put the rice in there?
water. I just watered my Christmas tree. It'll be fine.
This is gonna be nice.
Remember, it's only
No.
half.
Only 1 chicken.
Yeah. I got you, bro.
Got you, bro.
Just remember, please, to cook the other half. Because that chicken is not going to be good by the time you see it again. Which is probably going to be in a few months.
Well, the last time he had chicken in his fridge went well.
I don't even want to know.
Rico, you need to cut out like the muscles and the veins and shit. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. There's not much in this one, actually.
Oh, that's good. I was already wondering, like, are you really gonna like chew on all the veins? Because that's not gonna be great.
No, it's like only a couple of white parts and stuff. So.
Nice.
Here, bitch. So smooth with it.
Oh. Complimenting himself while he's doing it.
Nobody else is going to do it.
Whoa, we're nobody?
You don't do it.
Yeah, I don't do it because you usually look so awkward. You're like, am I doing this right? Please clap.
Please clap.
Please clap. Am I doing a good job?
A good job.
Bro.
Oh, that did not look safe at all.
No, it wasn't.
Cool. Shitty cooking. Let's go.
Alright. Got my own chicken.
And almost your finger too.
Achievement unlocked.
Yeah.
I did it before, so I was just lazy.
Well, this is like a nice New Year's meal, I guess.
Yeah. I could also do the same shit, but then with the 𝒦𝓇𝓾𝑒. And then almost everything will be done for me. Except the vegetables and shit, so.
And the cooking. And the shitty part, which you do yourself as well.
Look at this dude being almost a functional adult. Having like making his own meal, having all these pans.
Yeah, drinking beer.
I even have two!
You're grown up.
Like, what the
I
hell?
have two bokpannen.
Did you end up rinsing the pan already before you're gonna actually start throwing shit in there? Before you're gonna eat all those chemicals?
I'm eating all the chemicals. Whoa. Let's imagine dragons. Imagine dragging these nuts. Okay. That was unnecessary.
Also, whatever you're gonna use to stir in there, is it gonna be wood or plastic?
Yep.
Okay.
Wood. Het says, voor Nick, verhit 2 eetlepels olijfolie in een hapjes- of braadpan en fruit de ei en knoflook 2 minuten op lage temperatuur.
De ei en
Fruit?
knoflook.
Ui en knoflook.
That's the difference. That's egg or onion. Like,
No, but
mark
the
mark your
fruit
words.
part doesn't surprise you?
That
Fruit, the egg and garlic.
it means to like put them together and like get the onions to like almost be see-through. And no, it doesn't surprise me because I cook, so I know these terms.
Shut up.
Nice flash, bro.
It's flashing?
Yeah, it has been, but whatever. Oh, it's so much better than you actually were wearing something underneath.
Yeah, of course.
Like, oh, I'm gonna flash. Oh, but I'm still wearing clothes. Not too horny for New Year's.
Alrighty then. When is this little fucker coming in then? Oh, the pepper is coming in later. Ah, fuck it. Those bitches come in too as well. Ah. This is for decoration.
Also
Wait a
not.
minute.
Does it end where you think it ends, or do you need to fold it slightly to see more instructions?
No.
Okay.
Good one. Ah, here. I see.
Do you have coconut milk? Nice. I found the recipe, so I'm just reading along.
Nice. Alright, this will go.
But you were lying, though. You said you were gonna throw in the bell pepper and the onions at the same time, but you need to do the onions first.
I saw that as well.
Why so high, bro? Relax. You think you're Gordon Ramsay?
So now it's the onion and the garlic.
Yes.
Onion.
With pepper this time.
That's flip,
Nice.
dude.
Ooh, yeah, crackle, 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 crackle.
Called a sizzle, actually?
Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle.
Alright, now toss it.
Yeah, toss it.
No, first the garlic.
Yeah, toss it, bro. Holy shit. Holy. Like it owes you money, bro.
What? Okay.
Oh, that's what you have to do. Comes out like a fucking paste.
Yeah.
But you do need to, like, really give her, you know?
Yeah.
Motherfucker!
I think you got it, dude.
God, I hope it explodes everywhere. That would have been so funny.
Hey, you chill the fuck down, bro. Up again.
Alright, now toss it.
Yeah, toss it. Holy shit.
Not spanking it, tossing it.
Yeah, bro.
There
Oh,
you
there.
go.
Look. Oh,
There-
baby. Oh, look.
there you go.
Oh,
Hell
shit,
yeah.
baby.
Yeah.
Damn, he's cracked.
This boy can
You need,
cook.
you need to angle it a little bit more.
This fucking cook.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god, it's gonna burn.
That's fine.
I meant angling the pan, not your toss.
Oh. Okay, chill. Everything is going alright.
It's going fine, bro. I'm having a great time.
I think this rice is almost done.
I mean, you can follow the instructions on the rice packet to know when it's done.
Yeah, but I didn't. You know?
And you shouldn't have, because it's shitty cooking.
Yeah.
It can't be, like, too reasonable.
Exactly, let's just make rice pudding.
Yeah, dude. Fuck it. He's gonna eat it.
I gotta eat it. Twice actually.
Yeah, twice.
You know?
Well, no, the second time could be better, though.
Twice now, and then he's gonna make it
Oh, right.
another
Yeah.
time.
Right.
Wait, Rico, no. Keep the cap, and then do it again and just fake it.
Yeah, fake it. Yeah. I'll
Steph
edit it
can
in.
edit-
I'll edit
yeah,
it in.
Yeah. Dude, first try. Like, you're so cool.
Holy shit, that was so cool. I can't believe he tried to fake it and also failed the fake.
Oh, now
Oh,
these are
no.
all staying in.
Oh, well.
Mamma mia! Oh no! So these don't even have to cook on its own. You just throw them in.
Okay.
2 minutes. That's done. Softly. You were almost done. Yeah. Now toss these ones in.
Ooh, that's a nice shot right there. By the way, this is the part where you have to make sure the cutting board is well cleaned.
There's also, yeah.
I will do it after. Ready?
Yes.
Does it look good? Oh. No reaction at all. Well, this is the boring part. Now we need to wait. And I also saw that we need to wait for 13 to 15 minutes.
Yeah, when everything's added in.
Yeah.
Do you just nene into the pan?
So do we add the whole line?
Well, you're not gonna keep half a lime, like for
No.
those days. You should
No.
probably still add half, but the other half you should probably just use in a drink or toss away, because it won't be good anymore.
Fucking ridiculous.
Evil laugh.
Just always ready to pull out some booze.
No.
Never a sober
No.
moment. What was that?
His
Was that your leg?
It was his foot with his
What is? Yeah, the slipper. What is? But
his-
why did you
yeah.
do that?
Because I'm tall, and when I need to.
There's no reason. There's
Okay,
no
there's
good reason
literally no.
behind
He
it.
just did it because
yeah.
he's weird. I get it.
hmm
Oh god, that lime is tough as fuck. But you also pulled out a fucking butter knife.
Yeah, this is a tall knife.
No, don't. Why?
And into wisdom.
Why?
Man's trying to
This
play
is
that one
somewhat-
game where you tap the knife between your fingers.
Oh god. No. I won't be able to put it on YouTube. It will be self-harm, bro.
Oh, baby. So now we add everything, right?
You add the spice mix first.
First.
Spice mix and leave it for 1 minute.
You're holding them
Like-
backwards, but whatever.
Like put it in there, stir it, and then like leave it for another minute.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it was all on the thing, dude.
No. Looks like it.
Look like it. I'm gonna zoom the fuck out of that. Everyone's
Also, is
gonna
your
see your
chicken-
shame.
Is your chicken cooked properly? Like maybe
Yeah,
take
it-
one piece and try to like slash through it with your spatula.
No.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
It's good.
Yeah, it's
Alright.
fine, whatever.
I mean, it's gonna boil for 15 minutes, so it's probably
Yeah,
fine.
exactly.
Alright, and then this is where you add the bell pepper.
Oh, the bell pepper, which is now just sauce.
And also your beans and your
Why did you say it like
Your
that?
co-
Your
cocoa
beans.
milk. Yep.
There you
Your
go.
your
and-
2 centimeter beans. That you definitely you definitely cut in halves before putting it in there. This guy only took off the ends and didn't actually cut them because he was like, "Oh, why would you need to cut them anyway?"
No, don't. Why did you take him out?
Oh no!
At least half of them.
Oh my lord. Do at least half of them. How do you do that? How do you just pick it out without fucking burning yourself?
No. How much do I put in? Like half? Is it? Why do I cut this?
Everything should be half of the recipe, because the rest is half. Just make that, like, keep that in mind, because the lime also needs to be half. Just fucking spilling it. Let's go. Yes.
Sure. that's fine.
Yes.
Then you want to take a little shit cube.
Again,
Shit
just
cube.
all over the spatula.
No.
What do you mean? No.
The spatula is like going its way through
sure,
the meal, so
Sure.
You
Yeah.
should put the fire all the way down low, by the way. And then you should probably take half of this as well. Like take half, and then like crumble it into the yeah, work it.
Ooh, cinematic. Ooh,
Ah, fuck.
baby. I missed a little bit, but fine. Nice. Yeah. Do it like the sumo wrestlers.
I don't know. Can you see inside the pan?
No.
Absolutely not.
No?
Are you
Do
insane?
you want an update?
Of course.
Yes.
Always.
Look, it's
Ooh.
pretty.
Alright. Nice.
And then the rice and the beans.
Yeah, nice.
Fuck! I forgot the lemon.
It's not a lemon.
What?
Lime.
You don't do that yet. You don't. Don't.
Yeah, that's
No.
at the end,
It's
right?
the last step.
Yeah, because it's just like for a little bit of a citrus kick.
So leave it. and then you want to put a lid onto your pan. I hope you have a big enough lid.
Okay,
Right,
there you
yep.
go. Oh, did it come
Came
with
with
a
a
lid?
lid.
That looks like it's for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
E6.
And yeah, now you just wait.
Rico, is the food done yet?
No.
Mom?
30 more minutes.
Mom, is the food done?
Well,
In
that
the
gives you
meantime,
Mom, I'm
some
hungry.
good
Time
amount
to
of time
clean.
to clean your cutting board.
Yeah.
and clean everything else. Because I'm a shitty cooker.
Stove's gotta eat.
Stove's definitely eating. Fucking cube, fuck you.
I mean, you might want to.
Crocus milk.
All right, so Rico, are you gonna make this again, or are you going to use the ingredients to cook something else?
Probably something else.
All right.
So what stage are we on?
He realized that he didn't put in enough coconut milk, so he did that now. Put in some more, and now he's cleaning.
Nice.
Trying to.
He's finished now? I thought he was Dutch.
Fucking go, like my. Get the fuck out of there. Oi.
Oi.
Why? Why do you hold things the way you hold them? It's a simple question. What?
Nice.
Bro, who cares?
What is that? It's white.
It's white? So are you. So what?
Wow.
Yeah. What?
Some lime with some beer.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect to go on top of a little bit of chicken curry. Yo, that'll get it off.
You all that.
Oh.
Shit, cooking with Rico. Subscribe.
This is the kind of content we live for. ASMR, but with a bad microphone. Like a really bad one. What? What?
Why are you holding things like you?
Dude.
It's haunting me.
I'm sorry. You can't be off camera, bro. Come on. We need like a crew, bro.
Yeah.
I have no clue what I'm doing. That's
No, I can tell.
so fun. Alliop?
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Why the end?
It looks a bit watery.
What do you mean it looks a bit watery? Give us an angle.
Yeah, bro. What? What? Okay.
Not a 90-degree angle. Just
Angle.
it doesn't look watery. That
That's
looks fine.
great. That looks
What do you mean?
perfect.
You need the rice to get somewhat moisturized by whatever you're putting on there. Like this is perfect. Turn it off.
This is perfect. Turn it off. Bam! And that's
Nice.
finished.
No.
It's chicken
Oh,
rice
no,
curry.
no.
You need the lime.
The lime, yeah.
Thanks
The lime with the beer,
for holding it.
of course. What is that? Okay, what?
It's
Oh god! Don't get it in my
it
eye,
didn't
dude.
it didn't even go into the pan.
Oh god!
There.
All right, now serve it.
Yeah, bro.
I would say plate it, but you have a bowl, so
Yeah.
bowl it, I guess.
Bowl it. What?
Yeah, fucking lime. Okie dokie.
You wash your hand yet, or is it still full of lime?
No, it's still full of lime.
Or is it full of lime? Nice. Nah, yeah.
It's like half. Yeah, it's like half.
Like 1/6 left in the thing. Yeah, it's about one. It's about half. It's like 3 grains in there. Just a little bit on the sides.
A little bit of you. A little bit boop, boop, boop.
With his definitely 2 centimeter beans.
Look!
Bro.
It looks amazing.
It does actually look pretty nice.
It does, but there's a noticeable difference in the size of those beans. Look at it.
Yeah, you're probably gonna bite one and it's gonna be mush, and
Yeah.
then you're gonna bite another one and you're not gonna be able to bite through it.
That one's still raw.
Well, it's good for you.
Also, your bell pepper is gonna be mush probably, but
Also, I'm pretty sure you have like way too much chicken and sauce,
No.
and way too little rice.
no, that's fine.
No.
Okay, all right.
It looks like it.
A little higher, we're getting crotch shot right now.
I was gonna say
It's
nice
a little
job,
uncomfortable,
bro.
honestly. I don't want YouTube to think we're turning into a different video hosting website.
Wait. This?
That's better.
Yep, much better. Nice light, bro. It's just a light bulb.
It's been there for like.
Yeah, he was looking at light
you know what?
fixtures like I don't even
I
know.
was sitting in front of the fucking Christmas tree.
It was cinematic. This is nice.
Christmas special.
Yeah, this looks
Christmas
nice,
special.
honestly. With your messy
Three-
fucking bed in the back. sorry. You can eat. No, it's fine.
$3.50.
Hoppa! Fixed it. Alright,
Yeah.
tasting.
Yeah. Tasting, bro. No, what?
Floor's gotta eat too.
Floor rice.
Tastes
Disgusting.
Tastes good, yeah?
good. Yeah?
All right.
Bean. Bit too hard.
I would think so.
Hmm. There goes my white shirt. That's good. Chicken? Mmm.
Kind of smooth with it.
Chicken good.
Nice.
How's
Yeah,
the
chicken
bell
good.
pepper?
Bell pepper? Kinda smooshy, but
Kinda smooshy.
still pretty good. It also has some spice in it, but where it's coming from?
The spice
You?
packet.
Spice mix that you added? What do you mean? And the like little block of shit?
The little block of shit.
The cube from hell.
Yeah.
But better than the Knorr-wereldgerechten.
What the fuck did you just say? Dude, I'm gonna need to send this video to one of you to, like, translate it for me.
Like
Well, you can-
the
you
other
can be-
ones I used to cook.
Yeah, the packets he showed you in his cabinet.
Mm-hmm.
You can be proud of yourself, Rico. Good job.
Yeah, good job, man.
You used your hands and made something good.
I made this.
That smug face is gonna be
It
the
only
the
took you
thumbnail.
about an hour 30 minutes.
An hour and 30.
Yep.
Yeah,
It's 8 o'clock.
yeah.
It's gonna be the thumbnail. It's gonna be that face with I
Yeah,
did
the smug-
good.
The smug face. Yeah, exactly.
There you go.
Oh,
Perfect
boy.
thumbnail.
Yep. The crunch. The beans came out crunchy and the peppers came out like mush.
Yeah, note to self. But the chicken is really good.
I also need to fucking eat, bro.
Sweet.
I haven't gotten to eat because no, I'm recording.
You
Sweet.
can also eat.
No, I need to keep up the energy. We need to like be
It's
entertaining,
done.
you know.
We're
No, we're not done.
We're done.
No, we're done when the ranking comes out.
The ranking. Oh.
Yeah, but the ranking can only come out after the meal is done.
Okay. Ready?
No, but sure.
2 mistakes. The pepper. And the beans.
Yes, yes. Got them backwards.
Takes it down a bit.
Yes.
Chicken takes it up. Rice was perfect. The sauce. Didn't make it myself. That's why it was good. I would say 8.3 out
That's
of 10.
pretty good. Pretty good.
Yeah.
No
Yeah.
clue what the other ones were. Don't know how
No.
the scale works, but it's Rico's scale, and
Mere,
therefore
it's my skill.
8.3.
Steph will go look at all the other videos and then put a rating of all the other ones on the screen now, so you can like compare them.
I fucking hate you. I
Take
hate.
a
I hate
here.
the shit out of you.
Do it.
I hate you so much.
Put my head
Alright, well, this
somewhere
is not gonna
like
come out.
8.3.
Nope, nope,
8.3
nope,
heads
nothing,
above my
no,
head,
nothing
like
is gonna happen.
These ones?
That's not gonna happen at all. Nope.
Alright, thank you for watching.
Yep.
It was fun, for me at least.
Yeah, it was. It was cool.
Yeah, it was
Yeah.
very entertaining to
Bye.
watch.
Yeah. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright, fuck. I'm so happy that's done. Jesus Christ.
Holy shit, bro.
Oh my god, I
couldn't
hate
anymore.
all of our viewers, which are just us,
Damn.
bro. They're so annoying.
Ugh,
Oh,
I hate doing this shit. Who
I
the
hate
fuck
it
cooks?
so much.